everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little family, thank you so much. So today is just another Tesco food haul. I'm just going to go through what meals we're going to have this week and then show you what I've picked up from Tesco. We did the click and collect service and it only cost around 75p this time. So the first meal that we're going to have is chicken with vegetables, new potatoes, like roasted veg. So I'm just going to put it all in one pot and stick it in the oven. I love to do that. I love one pot meals, it's so quick and easy. Then the other one is minced beef and onion with mashed potato and vegetables and a Yorkshire pudding. So Dan mentioned this the other day, so I'm really looking forward to having that. Then the other meal is the cheesy gnocchi, which is a meal from the Joe Veggie book, page 162 if you have got that book yourself. So I love gnocchi, it's just really cosy food, so I'm looking forward to that meal. And then we're having another spaghetti bolognese with some homemade cheesy garlic bread. And then the last meal is steak, homemade chips with sweet corn, mushrooms, onions and peas. I do have to go to the butcher's for some minced beef, but that's the only meat that I need to buy. So I will show you what we picked up from Tesco. So I've got this big pack of 24 cans of Diet Coke. This is currently on offer at £6.50, so I just thought that was too good to miss out on. We use these cans to take to work in our pack-ups, but as it's getting closer to Christmas, I'll probably pick another one up just to enjoy some alcoholic beverages over the Christmas period. Some cauliflower, which is frozen, so I can stock up with veg in my freezer. Again, with frozen veg, carrots and some green beans. Got another pack of the skips. These are to take to work with pack-ups. Some frozen mini Yorkshire puddings. Some chicken liver pate. I love this on toast with some red onion chutney. I don't know if I'm alone with that one, like Dan doesn't like pate, he's not like a huge fan of it. And then I've got some raspberries and some blueberries to put with my porridge. In here is 2 brown onions and then 1 red onion. I've got some of the Hovis Granary wholemeal bread. Got this huge box of 40 pouches of the Win a Lot for Charlie. I'm so pleased he's a little dog because he does eat a lot. I don't know how I would manage satisfying a bigger dog than him. Some of the more dairy triangles to pop into my mashed potato, and I've also been spreading this on toast and it's been really nice. Some more Weetabix. I've got another block of mature cheddar. That is the potato gnocchi for the Joe Wicks recipe. And then I've got some ciabatta rolls, which I just cut in half and use this Lurpak butter to create my cheesy garlic bread with. Also got some fresh vegetables as well. I've got some asparagus, 2 packets of leeks, I've got some Brussels sprouts and some spinach. I've got 4 carrots in this bag and I've got 4 parsnips in this one as well. Some mushrooms. This big bottle of Vimto is on offer for £2. I've got fed up of the Muller Lights, so I wanted to try something new, so I went with these Oycus luxury Greek style yogurts with strawberry. These are quite expensive because you only get 4 and they're £2, but I want to try them. And then these are new, or if they have been out for a while, I haven't tried them, and these were on offer for £1, so I thought I'd give them a go. They're the crackers filled with cheese, so you get 5 in here, so I'm looking forward to tasting these. I've also got 2 cooking apples because I'm going to try and make a apple crumble. I've got some mini marshmallows, some squirty cream. They didn't have the light one, so I've just gone with a regular one. And some options: Belgian chocolate with salted caramel and a white chocolate one. The white chocolate one is for Dan. Got some loose bananas to take to work. To go with the apple crumble, I've got some ambrosia like custard. Some oranges to take to work. That one's not looking so good. Some baby potatoes for the 1 pot roasted veg with chicken meal. Some peppers for roasting as well. I've picked up 2 jars of the red pesto. I thought I had this in the cupboard, but I didn't have any left. I've got some green olives to put into our spag bol. Everybody makes their spag bol differently. Ours has olives in and it is the best thing I have ever done. They just give it a added flavour that it just was missing out on. Some more of the UHT semi-skimmed milk for making porridge in the slow cooker. I picked up some more tomato passata for the spaghetti bolognese. These cup of soups were on offer, 3 for £1 something. I can't remember the price, I'm sorry. But I used to have these quite a lot when I was at uni, so I wonder if I still do enjoy them. They're not the healthiest, but Dan mentioned he wanted some soup and I wasn't really feeling it, so I just ended up getting these bachelor packs of soup. I also want to try these as well. They're the Weetabix chocolate melts. These are white chocolate. I got the white chocolate in mind for Dan because obviously he loves his white chocolate. I'll let him taste them and tell me what they're like, because they do also come in milk chocolate as well. I've got some of the chipsticks to take to work as well. I've also got some gala apples. They didn't have any golden delicious, so I've gone with these ones. I've got some caramel wafer biscuits, the Tunnux ones. These are one of Dan's favourite biscuits, so I got some of those as well as some Milky Ways. The Terry's chocolate orange to share, and then I also got some Febreze fabric refresher and some Febreze Air Mist. This one is in Sugar Plum Delight and I've never had that fragrance before, so it's nice and Christmassy and I thought I would try it. That has been everything on my Tesco food shop. If you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye!